Did you know that using well-structured, impactful sentences can boost your communication skills by up to 40%? It's all about making every word count. Now, many of us spend time learning new vocabulary, practicing grammar, or focusing on pronunciation because I learn other languages, I do the same. But while vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation matter, powerful sentences can truly elevate your English communication. So now in this presentation or webinar, you'll find 10 sentences that can help you communicate with more confidence, clarity, and persuasiveness. Now, this lesson is appropriate for intermediate and advanced level, but of course, all are welcome. So now, get your pad, get your pencil, and let's get started. First, I'm excited to explore the possibility of. I'm excited to explore the possibility of. This sentence sets a positive tone whenever you introduce a new project, idea, or collaboration. By saying, I'm excited to explore the possibility of, you show both enthusiasm and openness. For example, I'm excited to explore the possibility of implementing a new marketing strategy for our product. Now, using this sentence can spark interest and invite others to join into the discussion. It's perfect for meetings, brainstorming sessions, and social gatherings as well. So for business and for social, perfect. By expressing genuine excitement, you encourage people to engage, ask questions, and offer their ideas. So this leads to a very lively conversation and exchange. So think of it as an inviting door to creative exploration. Next, we have, I believe we can accomplish this by. I believe we can accomplish this by. So now, when you want to clarify your plan and persuade others, try using this sentence. It shows that you have a clear vision and a way to achieve it. For example, I believe we can accomplish this by breaking down the project into smaller tasks and delegating responsibilities. This statement not only demonstrates confidence in your idea, but also offers a straightforward action plan. It's an excellent way to display leadership and expertise. Whether you're in a meeting or making a presentation, this sentence proves that you're not just sharing an idea, you're providing a roadmap for success. Very, very important. Next, we have, I feel inspired when. I feel inspired when. So connecting with others often means revealing a bit about what is driving you. By saying, I feel inspired when, you share personal passion or value. For example, I feel inspired when people come together to make a positive impact on the environment. This sentence helps you communicate more authentically. It encourages others to open up, leading to deeper, more meaningful conversations. Use it as a networking or use it as a networking device at networking events or social situations to move beyond small talk, right? And if you're not sure about small talk, look at one of my video lessons on small talk. And this will help you build genuine connections. Now, if you're finding this content useful, please give us a like. Thank you. Next, could you help me understand? Could you help me understand? Sometimes you need to gather information or clarify a point. By asking, "Could you help me understand?" you show respect for another person's knowledge or viewpoint. For instance, "Could you help me understand why this approach may not be the best option?" This question is polite, open-minded, and sets the stage for a productive exchange. You're not demanding answers, you're seeking insight and encouraging feedback. This approach builds trust and shows that you value collaboration and learning. Next, I'm confident that. I'm confident that. When you want to display certainty and inspire others, use "I'm confident that." This sentence shows belief in your team, your plan, or your own abilities. For example, "I'm confident that our team has the skills and resources to deliver this project on time." Being assertive in this way can motivate those around you. It communicates that you trust both the process and the people involved. Use this sentence in presentations, meetings, or whenever you need to make a strong, positive statement. Next, imagine if we could. Imagine if we could. Sometimes the best way to spark creativity is by inviting others to dream along with you. By saying, "Imagine if we could," you tap into people's imaginations. And for example, this sentence captures it perfectly. Imagine if we could develop a new product that combines artificial intelligence. Imagine if we could develop a product that combines artificial intelligence and sustainability. See what I mean? You're inviting people in. Next, let's work together to. Let's work together to. Collaboration often produces the best results. By using "let's work together to," you create a unifying goal that brings people on board with your idea or your point of view. For example, let's work together to develop a comprehensive plan to reduce our carbon footprint. Now, this sentence fosters a sense of community and teamwork. It shows that you value everyone's contributions and want to join forces. This inclusive approach can strengthen relationships and help you achieve shared objectives more efficiently. Now, as I go along and give you these examples, think about, and you should write it down. Think about some sentences that you use normally where these phrases would fit perfectly and enhance the activity, the presentation, the meeting, etc. And if you haven't been doing that, then just review the video again. Next, we have one approach we might consider is, one approach we might consider is, this sentence is a great way to introduce a possible solution or method without appearing forceful or rigid. For example, you might say, one approach we might consider is conducting a short trial period before fully implementing the new software. By using "we" and "might consider," you invite others to evaluate your idea collaboratively, fostering a sense of shared ownership. This phrase works well in meetings, presentations, or settings where you want to discuss a strategy or a plan while remaining open to feedback. Next, we have, it might be beneficial for us to. It might be beneficial for us too. Using it might be beneficial for us too helps you present recommendations or suggestions while emphasizing potential positive outcomes. For instance, you could say, it might be beneficial for us to schedule regular check-ins to track our progress and address any issues early. This sentence focuses on advantages and encourages a proactive approach. It's especially useful when you need to suggest improvements or changes that lead to better results. Next, I'm open to exploring different ways to. I'm open to exploring different ways to. So this phrase is excellent for when you need to show flexibility and willingness to adapt. So you try using I'm open to exploring different ways to when you want to do this. For example, I'm open to exploring different ways to streamline our workflow and improve efficiency. This statement communicates that you are ready to consider multiple perspectives or methods. It's an excellent way to build collaboration and invite others to share their ideas, creating an environment where everyone feels valued and heard. Okay, you know the next step. Practice and progress and expand your English skills. These sentences will transform your English communication, so practice regularly and try out your favorites that you came across. Maybe you came across one or two that is, oh, that really stuck out to you. And so try it in the next conversation. But in the meantime, please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. It helps us help you. And I look forward to seeing you on our next linguistic adventure together. Take care, everyone.